This is for the TACKLIFE Random Orbit Sander. I'm going to unbox it and give it a try on a walnut cutting board that's a little bit rough. So it comes with a stack of sanding discs that Velcro on. It's nice and bright, so it'll be easy to find in the garage. And there's a dust collection tray, on and off, and a speed setting, and some directions. The cord comes with a nice Velcro strap. And the dust collector looks like it just pulls off. It snaps back on. And there's an assortment of different grits. We got 80, 180. So maybe two different sizes, 80 and 180. I don't need to rough up the board much. I'll start with the softer one, the 180. Line up the holes so the dust collection works. Alright, I'm going to give it a go. Just a couple passes and this board is very smooth, way better than it was. You can see there is dust in the collector, and it didn't vibrate my hand much at all. It was very easy to hold. And do the other side as well. Feels all rough now. And it is smooth again. Let's see how much the sander collected. You can see in there. Some did fall out too. I don't think we can expect it to catch everything. I'm going to show a little bit how the random orbit works. So the head can spin circularly, and when it's running, it's not forced into one direction since it can free spin. So it works really good.